Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Harun, and if you are here to master Spotfire, you are in the right place. On this channel, we break down Spotfire concepts step by step from basics to automation and Python and real world dashboard techniques used in enterprise projects. So, today I'm going to explain how to use data relation in a Spotfire. So basically, mainly we use in one scenario in Spotfire, which is like uh, you have a two table. For example, let me show you the list of tables I have in this correct analysis. So if you see, I have returns table and orders table. Okay. So let me just show the raw data of those two tables, and then we'll go further on this. So if you see here, I have two different tables here. One is orders and one is returns. In orders, if you see, I have details of my orders and like order ID, order date, ship mode, etc. And returns, I have only two columns, which is like order ID and return. Okay. So let me explain this to you. Okay. So if you see the classical case where you must use this data relation is, for example, I just created these two charts using two different tables. For example, this chart is created using orders table and this is created using returns table. Okay, so let me apply a filter. Okay, so if you see, just selecting the filter, uh, it's only this filter will only filter the data in orders, right? So in case if I need to maintain a common filter across my entire dashboard, irrespective of like different tables if you are using, how we can do it. Okay, that's what I'm going to explain today, and that's where mainly we use data relation concept. Okay, so first you need to go here, data table properties, under relation just need to create relation here. You see, I've already created a relation. So in returns, and you have here you need to create the orders table and what column you need to match. So order ID and order ID of this column we need to match it here. Okay. So once you did this, you will see a option like this in the filter panel. Okay. For example, if you want to maintain orders table as a common filter across, okay, you just need to go to returns table and then just click this option, include filter rows only. So what this option will do, so whatever filter you apply, it will uh, filter the data in returns table as well. For example, I'm just filtering out standard class. You can see my return dashboard. This is sorry, visualization. This is also getting affected. Let me just remove everything. See? So this is how you can maintain a common filter across all the pages in a Spotfire. So it's a very important concept. I hope it was clear. If you have any comments, put it in the chat. I will explain it further. And if you are new here, hit subscribe so you don't miss upcoming Spotfire lesson tips and automation tricks. Stay tuned. Bye.